Hello everyone, welcome back to Placement Prep. Today we are going to discuss MySQL alias. Alias are basically a temporary name given to the table or column. Suppose we are using the same table that we have used before and we are doing the same thing, that is using group by clause to count the number of customer in each city. So the query will be like this, like select count cust ID, comma city from customer table, then group by city. As we know that whatever we are writing after this select, everything will be displayed as it is in the output section, like count cust ID will be as count cust ID, city will be as city. Suppose if we want to change this count cust ID to some other name, any name we can change, like whatever we want we can do that. What will we do? We will simply write select count cust ID, then what name we want to give. Suppose we want to give this count cust ID name as total customer, so we will write select count cust ID as total customer, then everything will be same, then comma city from customer group by city. Now in the output section, this count cust ID will be replaced with our new name that we have given as alias, that is total customer. Then city will remain as city, then everything will be same. So basically alias are the temporary name given to the table or column. Here we are changing the count cust ID name as total customer. I hope you are clear about the alias of MySQL. Now we will discuss about MySQL limit. Limit will basically specify how many number of records we want to display in the output section. For example, there is one table name that is customer, then having different column names like cust ID, cust name and city. Here we want to display these two columns like cust ID column and cust name column, and we want to display only the first three records. So what will be the query? The query will be select cust ID column, then cust name column. Whatever column we want to display in the output section, we have to write those column names after select. Then from table name, that is the customer, then we have to specify limit 3, that display only the first three records of the cust ID and cust name column. So the output will look like this, that is cust ID column, cust name column, and first three records are there. If there is limit 2, then only first two records will be there. If limit 1, only one record will be there. Now moving ahead, what is the meaning of asterisk? Like after select we are sometimes writing select asterisk from customer. What does this mean? Asterisk means when we want to display all the column names in the output section, then we will simply write asterisk. There is no need to write all the column names one by one after select. So we can simply write select asterisk from customer. Then if we want to we are specifying display the first three record, then limit 3. So here we have written select asterisk means all the columns of the table will be displayed like cust ID, cust name and city, and the first three records are there. I hope you are clear about the limit and the asterisk. If you like this video, please do subscribe to Placement Prep. Thank you. Have a good day.